All right. Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to Forex Trading, the world's best trading group. I'm Mark, aka CramFX, and my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Okay, so if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now, sell now, you're on the wrong stream, straight up. Okay. But if you guys are looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets and teach you how to trade these markets the right way, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Let's hope we have a great session ahead of us. I hope you all enjoyed London as well. I was a little caught up with work, so I really couldn't. Trade London today, but I hope you guys had a good one. Okay, so there are some moves that are potentially playing out as we speak. So I'm going to quickly start to share my screen with you guys. Okay, Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq. Solid sells that are kicking in. We want to see if we want to close below that demand zone, maybe get a little bit of a continuation. But I see a potential TP in this region. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's put on, excuse me, a sell box here. Okay, and stop loss can be somewhere here. Have it nice and tight since this move may or may not happen. Okay. Remember, impulse. When are you guys going to get in with your bigger positions? When you'll have the confirmation of the move. Okay, so you want price to close, give you a successful retest, and maybe then we can look to start and push. Okay, this is what's going on with the dirty right now. One on ones. Are we identifying structure? You guys, I have the chat open. Big dog cram in the house and in a good mood. Let's get it, JJ. Um, what are we identifying in terms of structure over here, guys? Thank you, Zero. Good. Always Sheikh, I literally said we're not a buy or sell channel, buddy. Okay? We wait for opportunities to play out and we don't scream buy and sell like the other streamers that try to scam you. Okay? We're teaching you guys how to trade these markets. Okay? And I like the buys up here for the dirty. All right, so as Zero, my man, shout out to you, just said, it does look like we're making a little bit of a double bottom. Okay, lots of supply up here though. So rather than having your breaker structure move from here to here, which is still good, right? But we're scalpers. Okay, we're happy with zone to zone trading, so we have no problem building into this double bottom in case price wants to do that. Okay, watch for the retest and the rejection on Nasdaq. Okay, wait for this demand to be respected as supply and see if you can catch the rejection. Okay. All right. There's room. We could potentially test out that region. We need to see, guys. We need to see. Okay. That's gold. Nice little bounce up from demand. Um, okay. Fake out, fake out. Gold. I mean, listen, you guys know gold has a brain and a mind of its own, so it can completely do its own thing. But just based off of price action, right? We ideally should be looking for a break back on gold. Okay. But that being said, we could also do something like that. So we could most certainly face some resistance up here in this RD region. And if we happen to break that, then yes, we could get a nice little bounce back, most likely to the 1920 area. Okay, guys, did the notification go off? I'm seeing fewer people on the stream today. We topped like 80 people yesterday. Um, it did. All right. Sometimes people just need an extra message. I'm gonna go ahead and just mark it up. All right. Look at Nasdaq. Is anyone in on Nasdaq right now? I'm personally not in on this. I'm gonna watch. But is anyone in on Nasdaq? Be careful, guys. We're super close to news as well. Forex. Okay, message has gone through. Let's see. Risky now, in my opinion, so I'll wait for news. Good decision, buddy. Good decision. Did any of you guys trade London with cash? Okay, possibilities on gold. Where are we going to look for the buys? We're going to look for the buys up above. Yeah, sorry, I'll get at the chat in just a second. Okay, and you can have your stop loss in and around this area of support. So if this move wants to play out, you're looking at a good 1:2. We can aim for a 1:2, right? We can aim for a 1:2, no problem. Okay. Stop loss on this again. Listen, guys, it depends on your risk management. Okay. If you're over leveraging, your stop loss is going to have to be tight. It's going to have to be small. But if you're just trading fine, if you have a good risk management, a good sense of risk management, then you guys should be able to hold on to your trades based off of the liquidity and volume that there is in that current market at that current time. Okay. Look at NASDAQ. I want to see some people over here printing on NASDAQ. Gonna hit your 10 pip mark real soon. Okay, I hope some of y'all caught that beautiful rejection. Buys above 4H on Nasdaq. Nobody. Let's see how it reacts around here. And I actually, the reason I didn't put on the box right now, JJ, is because I want to see if this is the retail trap or if this is the actual continuation push to the downside, right? So if this is the retail trap, we're gonna start fucking longing this market from here, man. Just give it a minute, okay? Give it a minute. I have a sense it's a trap. Exactly. Me too. I mean, it may or may not be, but too close to news and it looks too easy right now. Okay. So I'm not getting in on that. Okay. As usual, lesson learned. Disable annotation. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. This can most certainly push down. Okay. Don't get me wrong at all, but I'm just gonna wait for news personally. All right. Let's see if they want to pick some more buyers up from here. I'm in a gold buy. Good. Good. I like this region for a buy. Waiting for gold. Do we have a lot of gold traders over here? Lots of gold diggers. I see almost everyone lately, at least, wanting to trade gold all the time. Cash also keeps telling me on London. They keep asking, huh? What's your analysis on gold? What's your analysis on gold? A lot of gold. It has to cash. Yeah, man. Okay. Too slow for me to be in on this, okay? Just letting you guys know. Okay, so I'm gonna catch some 5-minute resistance over here. Okay, you guys, one-on-ones. This explanation's for y'all. Okay, JJ, all of y'all, listen. Why this? Look to the left, straight up. Right, we have a nice little support resistance flip. Right, that acts as resistance. This acts as support, 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 resistance. And now, keeping that in mind, we also want to get the most relevant level, which would be the most recent level, which in this case happens to be here. Okay, so if this is the retail trap, I'm giving you one of two things. All right, one-on-ones. This is especially for you guys. Okay, if this is the retail trap, we'll catch that. Okay, and if this isn't the retail trap on news, we'll catch that. All right, the ones that had to understand that have understood that. Let's wait and watch. What will be the gold up or down after news? Buddy, we, not just us, no one can predict these markets. Okay, the only thing we can do is we can analyze them and wait for price to give us confirmation that it's going to do what we think it's going to do. All right, we don't have a magic ball in front of us, and if anyone tells you they do, they're lying. Okay, Cash and I are not Harry Potter and Hermione. We don't have those magic wands, and these markets are not in our control. All right, so let's wait for price to do its thing, and as I have more confirmation, I will let you know. Okay. Bro, I was trading gold each and every day and always win, then lose. I take it from time to time only now. Yeah, gold's got a mind of its own, like I keep telling everyone. I've always shared um I've always shared a love-hate relationship with gold. What do you mean by wait for news? We have a news folder that's going to release in the next 3 minutes. So we want to wait for price to do something. Okay, one-on-ones. Listen, if we start to get a little bit of rejection here, won't be such a bad idea to maybe pop in for a little bit of a feeler, okay, for the cells. Just saying. Because, like I said, this or that, be ready. When is news? In the next 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Tell me about it, Emily. I've been dealing with that for quite some time. Okay, this is what I mean. All right, let's see if we have an EMA. Oops, why do I have Nasdaq? And look at that. All right, US 30 starting to look good to me. Give me a quick second, guys. We have a minute and a half, and I want to quickly set up some orders on my chart. Okay, on my MetaTrader, my bad. Give me a quick second. Okay. Thank you for that, Baha. Thank you. Is it possible to recover 40K from 500? Okay, I think my silence answers that. Um, what orders have you set? I've set a potential buy up in round about this region. Parv Karhana. You're welcome, buddy. Okay. Let's catch it. All right, let's catch it. 20 seconds to news. Let's do this, you guys. And again, like I keep saying, please don't be stupid, okay? Trade responsibly. Use your lots, right? Don't give your account a chance to go against you. I mean that with everything. Let's have a good one. This is news. Okay. Push down. Medium impact. Better than expected. Okay, so positive news. Chicago Fed. Let's see. You see that little drop? And like I said, we could get a little push, but nothing yet. Gold is a nice red candle that's trying to pick up some demand. Okay, so one of two things. Either we pick up demand and boom, we start to buy this market, or we break down from here. I'm just going to fix that up for you guys. Give me a second. Let's try to do it right now. We break down from here and we close and we then make a move. Okay, I'm currently not triggered in on anything myself. Let's wait and watch. Okay, if this means we have to wait for the first candle to close, so be it. We'll wait for the first candle to close. All right, negative jobless claims. And it's mixed news, guys. Positive initial jobless claims. Mixed news, mixed news. All right, so don't expect the markets to do one straight move. Expect volatility to kick into these markets. Okay. Okay. Come on, let's get that pop. Let's do it dirty. Come on, let's try to break that. Okay, let's break those highs and let's get a nice momentum push. Okay, we are attempting to cross the 50. Okay, let's look at the Scalper Pro. All right, they're trying. Everything's in that 40, 50 region. Everything is trying. Okay? Still not triggered in. I'll tell you exactly where my stop's at. This region right here. Okay, I want to break that neckline. The ones that know it know it. Nice little double top over here. I want to break that neckline to potentially pull out a quick couple of pips. Okay, so far, not too much. Liquidity grab on NASDAQ. Gold looks like it's frozen. Okay, it's wait time, you guys. Wait time. People on YouTube, if you're here for the first time, welcome to Forex Trading. I'm CramFX, and my partner is Cash, and we basically scout these markets pretty much every single trading day for both New York and the London market open. Okay, so if you guys enjoy what we do, click on the description. And get in on our private server. Okay, so we have a Discord server. It's called Forex Trading. You can go ahead, join us, and join the Zoom calls that are happening simultaneously right now. We have a lot of people on the Zoom call. We discuss ideas, we chat, we give apparently buy and sell signals, um, but it's a lot of fun. Okay, and you guys will basically just skip over the lag that occurs on YouTube. So hop on to Zoom and become a private member. Oh, also, did I mention it's free? Because it is. It's been free for a year and it's absolutely free. Okay? Don't think we're trying to scam you guys into anything. Hop on and see for yourselves. Okay, finally, a little bit of a break on gold. Let's see if we want to close in on gold. So nothing on the dirty so far. Okay, it seems like one of those news folders, guys. Nothing. We're sitting and watching. We're waiting. Let's see what price wants to do. Okay, Nasdaq starting to go oversold. The 15 minutes may be testing that region out as well. Okay, this doesn't look bad to me, but it's just I don't like where we're at. I don't like where we're at. Cram, you should say you're the best buy and sell channel. So good that without saying buy and sell people make. I should. Switched up the intro today. I like it. I think it's got a ring to it. Um, what do you guys think? Should I stick with the new one or should we go back to the old one? Zoom. New one. There you go. New. Awesome. Lovely. Okay. Um, weight game, guys. Weight game. You'll need to realize how important patience is. Well, not just in life, but in any in any form of trading or whatever career choice that you guys choose. Okay, waiting is everything. If it's not the right time for something, and you try to get in on it, it's going to hurt you. Okay. It's the same thing that applies to these markets. We don't have the volume or the liquidity as we speak in order to break these zones, in order to break these regions. Okay. So what are we going to do? We're going to wait for the liquidity to come in just because, like I say, we don't chase these trades. We let these trades come to us. Okay. There you go. Gold is giving you guys the pop and drop. In case anyone's in on it, I wasn't looking at it, but again, I don't like the fact that we didn't get a retest. Okay, now that doesn't mean the move's not happening, but if you guys are in on gold right now, congratulations, liquidate your goddamn positions. Okay, at a time like this, you know what I like to do: flip demand to supply. Look at that, gold running big time. Okay, um, but yeah, anyone who tells you supply doesn't flip to demand, guys, stay away from them. Um, they don't know what they're talking about. We have a lot of people that comment on our content on YouTube and not on YouTube, on Instagram mainly, and everyone thinks they know these markets. Everyone's watched YouTube and they think they've cracked it. If only it was that easy. Lots of rejection on this. Not the nicest right now. Come on, give us that break. I have a feeling that we're still going to range here for a bit, guys. These wicks, um, they seem pretty rangy to me as of right now. Okay. Oh my good lord. Who's making money on gold? I want to see some W's in the chat for gold. All right. I'm sure literally a lot of you guys keep freaking asking me gold, 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 gold. Here you go. Gold in front of you guys. Okay. Aaron caught it. Kyle caught it. Just two people catch gold. Where's my man that made 78 grand based off of my setup yesterday? I can't remember his name, but how crazy is that? Someone made 78,000 by sitting on a free stream with me. Um, it's unreal. It's unreal. W and gold, W and dirty. Awesome. Gold's gone down to hit TP, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. I want to see how many of you guys caught that on gold. And nothing so far. All right. I had my eyes on this. This is what looked the cleanest to me, which is why I haven't gotten in any trades as of now. I do know that when this happens, I'll probably have a good trade come my way, but I'm not going to force anything. All right. So the ones that caught gold, good for y'all. Congratulations. I couldn't be happier. Okay. Um, for the people on the one-on-ones, break this down. Right. No retest. You had two places to enter. Okay, if you didn't want to take the risk of entering for your wig fill for 6 pips, the break of your wig fill as an entry would still give you about 12 pips, say 10 pips removing your spreads. Those 10 pips are enough to feed your family. I'm not even kidding. Okay, so I hope y'all took that. I hope y'all made your money, and I also hope y'all have liquidated your positions. Closed gold. Good job, Ben. Good job. Okay, look at that. They're now starting to pick back up. I wouldn't be shorting this market no more, okay? Because that divergence is coming in and it's coming in strong. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Chop, chop. 10 a day and live to fight another day. Awesome, my man. Absolutely. Waited for a retest on gold, but it never came. The retests are not always going to come, Corey. Um, it's never going to be a perfect move, you know? You've just got to sometimes feel the volume almost instinctively and hop in. You know, you've got to risk some to make some. And again, if you don't feel the confirmation, um, you don't have to get in. I prefer the retest as part of my confirmations. I don't like risk. Sounds good. Sounds good. Okay. All right. So US 30 is being dirty. It's normal. Dirty being dirty. Hmm. The gold buys look tasty on the rejection, but ain't no way I'm gambling. Wait for it, man. Not as yet. Not as yet. This can still freaking drop. Okay. For the ones that are still selling gold, as in, I hope you guys are not literally selling gold right now, but for the ones that either have your partials running or you're trading your stop loss, um, next stop, there. Okay. Is anyone still holding on to gold? Even $1.50 partials, anything at all? Anyone still holding? Have a break even stop loss if that's the case. No, I'm all out. No gold here. Okay. Smart decision, guys. Smart decision. I myself wouldn't be shorting this, irrespective of how much ever it wants to break down. Okay. And look at that. Pretty oversold. Okay. Guys, what do y'all think? Okay. So Millzone, Cash, and we were talking about some new content ideas. And what do you all think about um, reacting to some of our Instagram and and some of our YouTube comments? I literally had someone, I don't know. So I was on, well, I was doing something on TradingView, and basically the Forex trading thing opened up on YouTube, and you know those pop-ups that come, and there was a notification on one of the educational videos, and he was like, "Nobody cares, you scammer." And I was just like, it's not like we charge you guys anything for this, scammer. What do y'all think? Would y'all enjoy content like that? Because we're really looking to up our game, and we're really looking to get ourselves pushed out there now. It's taken long enough, as you guys know. We've been at this for a year. But yeah, also, if you guys have some nice content ideas, send them across. Okay, you make it look too easy, so it has to be a scam. Yeah, yeah. And then there was some comments on Cash saying how she's a woman and should be in the kitchen. I so badly want to react to those. You know, they're hysterical. They really crack us up, and it's yeah, they're funny, very funny. Hate is gonna hate, absolutely, man. We're still gonna do what we do, right? Yeah, it would be good, but also correcting someone who believes something that may be incorrect and explain who may think the same can be educated properly for sure. Absolutely. You know, the truth is, I've noticed this. A lot of people that see us on the socials, they think, you know, they think whatever they think, but all it takes is one live session. And I'm talking about these streams. All it takes is one live session to convert those skeptics into believers. No kidding. Um, I've had so many people that have actually messaged me saying that, bro, you know, we thought, you know, you're like the others and this and that, but then we came on your session and we see the value you give. It's insane. And I was like, yeah, you know, we've been trying to do this from day one. And truth be told, we're only and only getting better at it. I think a lot of people, they confuse our how comfortable we are in front of the camera, Cash and myself, to emotions. And all it takes is one live stream to see that those aren't emotions. That's just us being us. And we've got we've got this taken care of, you know, in terms of the trading. So it's pretty cool. I think your education videos would be amazing, where you walk through trades. Yes, yes, yes. We're going to be doing those as well. Um, you guys know how it is to pull an audience. You've got to show some off. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. But we are going to be putting up trade recaps, setup recaps, and why a setup played out. Just basically like how I think JJ asked that. Yeah, JJ, how we do it on the one-on-one sessions, right? We pick those setups and we sort of work our way through them. We're definitely going to be making content like that as well, just to let people know that this is doable. You know. True that. Love your sessions. Thank you. Sitam Pradhan. Thank you. I don't know from where they think even you scam, you go live for free and let people learn scalping and make some money. Yeah, man, but like someone said, right? The hater's gonna hate. Okay, extremely slow. One-on-ones. What are we seeing on the US 30 right now? Come on, I want you guys to start typing in, because I know you're listening. There are multiple possibilities that could happen with US 30 right now. The zone we're in, what is it called? The patterns that we're making. What are we seeing? Come on, you guys. I want to hear it from y'all. Okay, double bottom one, pen in two. All of y'all are right. What else are we seeing? What zone are we in right now? Consolidation, awesome. Okay, literally, that's everything that's happening right now. Okay, so we had a nice little inverse. My bad. We had a nice little head and shoulders, double top within the head and shoulders, neckline break. We're now distributing orders within this region. Within that zone of distribution, we have also made a nice little double bottom, and within all of that, we're also building into a nice little pennant. Okay, so literally everything that you guys said is right. This is the first break of our apex. Okay, um, and let me just mark that out perfectly. Okay, that's the first break of our apex. Let's see if they want to hold here, and maybe we can start to layer up our positions. Okay, let's see if we want to hold, retest, reject, push, boom, boom. Okay, let's see if they want to do something of that sort. There you go. Finally, finally. Okay, I am triggered in. And again, it's not a big position. Please, you guys know me. I will okay, I'm looking at it right now. I maybe trigger finger. I don't think this is gonna close up there. If it does, we're gonna make some serious dough. But there's still 3 minutes to go, and I don't think this candle's gonna close up there. Okay, so as of right now, I'm in with $1 a pip. Okay, that was my order, by the way. It was for a feeler, and I want to see if we break that high, and if we do, I may just hop in. Okay. Is it wise to do retest entry on Goldie? It's wise to do retest entry all the time. Okay, but it's just that as you advance as a trader, Zed, as you advance as a trader, you'll sort of just get a feeling as to where the markets are where there's enough volume in these markets to actually hop into the impulse. Guys, I'm in with a bigger position, and I did that right around there whilst we were speaking. Okay, all right, I'm watching it really closely. Okay, I'm gonna set it to break even because I'm not liking it too much right now. Fuck it. I closed it. I closed it in -2 pips. Okay, this is why I didn't want to hop into the bigger position because these things can happen. I closed it at -2 pips, which is a $600 loss for me, and that's fine. All right, I learned my lesson, and I'm now gonna wait for price to close in our box. Okay, I got a flash of about +3 pips, but I was like, fuck it. I'm not getting in for that risky impulse. I'm just gonna wait. So I'm down 600. Let's take a look at gold. Okay, maybe we can look at something like that for gold. I'm watching US 30 really closely again because now what am I itching to do? I'm itching to make back my 600 and some more. Okay, I'm watching it real close. I want to see how the last 30 seconds of this candle want to play out. Okay, listen, guys, if we happen to break this high, I'm gonna try and be as quick as I can. Okay, and I'm not gonna look for 10 pips over here. You'll need to realize this. I'm gonna look to make the money that I just lost. Okay, and if we happen to close here, expect a little bit of a retest. Okay, and then you could start to see a rejection maybe in this region, half that candle, and then we could start to pick back up. So even the retest could make for a nice entry. Okay, but as long as it closes in our box in the next 30 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds to go. Okay, candle closes in our box. Let's see that new candle test that out, or maximum maybe this region out. We don't want to be testing more than that. Okay, it's got to hold. It's not holding, guys. It's not holding. Okay, next level of support right there. Let's see if we want to hold. You'll see where my cursor is. We need a hold there. Looks good. Come on, give us that pop, dirty. Do it for us. I just feel how quiet the chat room is right now. Literally, I feel like everyone's looking at their phones and they're just listening to my voice and they're just concentrating. That's what I feel is happening. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Come on. Dead stare on the candle. I'm doing the exact same thing right now. Literally. I'm not even looking at my screen. I'm just looking at my phone. Right? Let's try to get that. Okay. If anyone got in on the rejection, you should be 2, 3, 4 pips in profit. But I am not. I want to see more of a push, man. It's just that my only concern is in the next 9 minutes we have the Adi swap that's going to come in as well. I want to. There you go. Come on. Okay, so guys, listen, lesson for the day. Another good entry. So if you miss the rejection, The point that you want to make, the point that you want to sort of keep getting yourself at, is you want to catch the closest point to your break of structure entry. So in this case, that would be approximately the 30 area. So this, if you miss this, that's an entry. You see what I mean? But this would have been your ideal entry because of your break of structure. So, like, literally, your only strategy is breakout, retest, rejection. Buddy, we don't have any strategy here, Nadeem. We trade the breakouts, we trade the retracements, we trade everything because all we do is we trade price action, buddy. That's it. We just trade price action. So it doesn't matter if it's a breakout trade, doesn't matter if it's a rejection trade. We buy into supply, we sell into demand, we buy demand, and we sell supply as well. We do it all. All right. See, guys, see what I mean? Okay, we're pushing back down. Cram strategy, make pips? Absolutely. Okay, so now listen. Lesson for the day again. Do you all see why I took that 2 pip L? You see why I took that 2 pip L? Because even though this move can happen, I don't want to hold and draw down up until here or somewhere here, potentially even our demand zone. You guys see what I mean? So I would rather get stopped out at that time than hold and go through the emotions of trading these markets in these choppy times. Okay? All right, and the rejections are kicking in. No confirmation on this. Now let's see if this impulse wants to close. And of course, if we start to pick up buyers from here, we start looking to buy demand. Okay, this looks good as well. Good rejection coming in from our zone of supply. I'm gonna wait for market open. It's probably smart. Chop chop. Now, the only thing that you guys want to do again is you stop looking for the retest because, like I said, we've broken past the key levels of support that we should have held at for this move to actually play out. So, for now, the only thing you want to do is maybe try and break those highs, these highs, sorry, that's what I meant, in order to get a continued push. Anything for gold sells? Not really. Not really. There's a lot of bullish divergence that's kicking into these markets as we speak. The sales could happen, but I wouldn't be keen on it. Okay, you could literally get in on the same position if we start to get rejected from here back down to this level. Okay, so you could sell supply and make some money on your way back down in case we're making a nice little double bottom over here. Okay, chop, chop, chop city. Let's see what these markets want to do in the next 5 minutes. And of course, they close, they come back down, and most likely are going to test out this demand zone. Let's fix that up. Okay. Again, this has momentum, guys, but we need to. This has the potential, right? But we just need to actually close above and break. Give me a quick second, guys. Okay, is gold doing something? Give me a second. I'll take a look at gold. Here you go, Tusu. The Forex Pro. Yeah, sure. Okay. On the way back down, on the way back down. Gold at this point can do either or, okay? Just saying. Push back down, come back up, or break up, retest, reject, and push. Oof. Choppy Nasdaq. I hope you guys now understand why I liquidated that position that I did. Okay? A $600 loss for me is any day better. See what I mean? Okay. Let's see what wants to happen in the next 3 minutes. I may or may not stay till market open, guys. If the markets are going to continue to be this way, there's no point of me staying on the session, but you guys will have my levels. But let's see if the moves actually want to kick in. Okay. All right. Do we have any questions from our privates on Zoom? Do we have any questions, you guys? Anyone new on here? Listen, rather than messaging Cash on me, if you guys actually have some questions, now's the best time on these streams to actually answer them and give you guys clarity. I'm new. Welcome, Sina. Welcome to Forex Trading. Um, how to take entries on your levels. Okay. We do have a video on this as well on the Discord server. But listen, we're waiting for a couple of things. Okay, so this is our buy box, this is our sell box, right? If you're going to be trading a straight break of structure trade, which is mostly what we do, you're going to want price to close up above. Okay, you want price to close in your box, and you want price to break this high to give you a continued high, right? As you can see in this case, that didn't happen. The price action closed in our box and we never broke that high, right? So this would be your ideal scenario for an entry, just like this as well. And that's how you would. Okay. All right. Thank you guys for telling me about gold. But now let's see if they want to close. Okay. 57 seconds to go. Shanzar from YouTube. Hey buddy, how's it going? Sheikh Ali, are you from India? Yes, I am. Mohanaditya. Mohanaditya, want you on Zoom? Um, I don't know shit right now. What would you recommend the best course of action for me? Trade with us, all right? These streams are I aim to make them educational. Um, so you can learn with us on these streams because you have access to me. And of course, if you want to accelerate your process with forex trading, then we do have a mentorship program. Um, we have 170 people on it as we speak, and a lot of people are on this call. So yes, if you want to learn quick and get started, that would be your best course of action. Okay, now let's see if they want to give us a retest to our demand or if they're just going to start pushing back down again. Gold can make an inverse head and shoulders. Yes, yes. What's the news? It was jobless claims every Thursday. Okay, now let's see if we want to get that bounce back. We're holding at the EMA as we speak. Okay, now that EMA aligns up with our supply and demand zone, as you guys can see, which is a good confirmation. Let's see if we want to hold and actually start to push. Okay. Okay, I'm in on a little feeler. All right, just $1 a pip, looking to break that high and hop in for a nice little pop. Okay. Again, I need you guys to realize what my motive is to get in on this trade. It's to make up what I lost. Okay, so I'm going to be careful and I'm going to be quick and I'm not going to be greedy. Okay, if you guys are not comfortable doing that, y'all don't have to. Come on, let's pop, Goldie. Okay, look at that. Look at US 30 now. Let's not fall into that trap again, okay? Wait for price to break and retest and close. Don't fall into the trap again if you've already lost money on this trade. Doesn't matter if it's even a feeler, okay? Hmm. Okay, watching gold. Sorry, guys, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes to these things. I don't like my charts messy because they're all distractions for me. Okay, come on. Let's break that high. Okay, I'm in on gold. I'm in on gold, okay? Again, nothing too big. Like I said, my intention is to make back what I lost, and it's not. Is US 30? Fuck me. See what I mean? Let's see if they want to close up there, okay? Small position, guys. Small position on gold. I'm not looking to cash out big. I'm just looking to potentially make up what I've lost, okay? If you guys are in on this and you'll want a stop loss, where should your stop loss be? It should be below your demand zone, right here. You don't need to have a fat stop loss. If this was your entry based off of the retest rejection, you're looking at about a 10 pip stop loss. Okay, look at that. No close above. Still no close above. It's just being annoying. Okay, that's all they're doing. Not enough volume. Yes, sir. Too slow. Too slow. On days like these, it's sometimes good just to sit and watch on the sidelines. There's no point of you risking your lots if the markets are going to be slow. This is also the last New York session for this week. I'm not going to be live tomorrow. Um, Probably going to trade, but I'm not going to be live. Okay. 25 minutes on the market open. If that doesn't show anything tasty, I'll stop for the week. Sounds like a plan, my man. Okay, and if any of you are wondering what my position is over here, it's a small position. It's $5 a pip, and yeah, it's basically just a 10 pip stop loss that I'm gonna have going, and we'll see what they want to do. Okay. W on Nasdaq. Good. Oh, okay. Damn it, you guys. I was waiting on this move, and none of y'all told me that we closed up above there. That's horrible. Okay, we had a close up above, a small little retest, a continuation break. You want to break these highs and push higher. Okay. Ugh, choppy. I don't like this momentum, you guys. It's too slow for me. Makes me sleepy. Okay, gold's coming back down to test our demand zone. The reason I said this should be our stop loss, guys, is because if we happen to break down from here, we're most likely pushing back down to make a double bottom. Okay, so that's the reason I said that you don't need to risk more than 10 pips on this trade. Um, and yeah, have a tight stop loss. Okay, that'll increase your risk to reward ratio, right? So if you got in somewhere here like I did, and you have your stop loss here, you take profit here, you're looking at a 1 is to 1.6 risk to reward ratio. Okay, I think I'm gonna enter US 30 when it breaks the highs. Yeah, good plan. Nasty is attempting to push into our box. Let's take a quick look at the DXY, guys. Okay. All right, some pretty straightforward levels on the DXY. One here, one here, one here. Okay, nice little zone of accumulation. One here. Oops, my bad. Okay, so that's what the DXY looks like as we speak. And been on a solid uptrend. Okay, they've been on a solid uptrend. Lots of resistance here, but we still have some room, very little room potentially, maybe to push higher. But if we start to free fall to the downside, we can expect gold to start going potentially bullish. Okay, guys, another fake out on this. Stay away from these indices. Not good right now. Stay away from it. Okay. Okay, so gold still testing out our demand zone. If this goes against me as well, that's just another 50 bucks I've lost. Um, so I'm gonna be down for 650 for the day. Okay, no big deal. It is what it is. And you've got to take some L's in order to make some profits. Okay, and trust me, guys, if anyone says that they're not making L's, stay away from them. They are lying. Okay, now in the next 5 seconds, let's see where the new candle wants to open up. Looks like they're trying to open up within our demand zone. Now, what we don't want to see is we don't want to see this candle penetrate through and break down. Because if that's the case, you guys know we're coming back for this. Okay, so let's see if they want to pick back up. So this zone is acting as some demand currently. No volume, guys. There's literally no volume in these markets right now. Okay, I'm gonna stop myself out. All right, just letting you guys know. If we happen to break, I'm stopping myself out. Look at how choppy this is, man. Hate this stuff. Okay, I just stopped myself out on gold, guys. Stop myself out on gold. It is what it is, and good call, right? Yeah, JJ. These things are just bound to happen. And I got stopped out with you guys, okay? So it's all good. It's part of the game. I hope you guys didn't lose your bigger positions, but it is what it is, okay? I myself am down 650 for today. And now they look like they're pushing back down. Thank God I took profits on US 30. I agree, man. I've been looking for these buys for a very long time, but it doesn't look like they want to give it to us. You see? Ugh, what a choppy session. What a choppy session. I hate it. 100 bucks, I'm out. Sounds good, brother. Moves will happen with market open. Yeah, it should. It should. Gold sell, this will be your TP. Yeah. Okay. If you got in over here, that's TP1 for partials, and this would be your final TP on this move. Hmm. Nasty kicking in with maybe some momentum, but that doesn't mean that the move's gonna happen right now. They've just been so friggin' choppy. I hate it, man. Where you streaming? Long love. We have a private Zoom call that's on as we speak. Um, Click the link in our description. Join our Discord server. It's 100% free, and yeah, you could hop into our Zoom call with the rest of our members. Okay, I'm glad we got stopped out where we did. That's the beauty of supply and demand. But yeah, it basically just saves us from um, this whole situation down here. Where are you from? I am Indian, but I was born and raised in Dubai. Nasty looks like an uptrend. So did you guys see that wick? Dirty on gold. Dirty on gold. Oil seems nice. Okay, and now look at that. Now look at that. Watch, okay? I'd still be interested in breaking those highs, guys. I'd still be interested in that. Let's see in the next 14 seconds. But if they happen to close in our box, technically this would be our impulse as we speak. You guys know what I mean? So if we happen to close in this box, then maybe we could get a retest rejection, but it looks like they're trying to pick up bias from demand. Okay, and as you can see, small little drops on the dollar. Let's see if they want to pick up. Hmm. Okay. Come on, Goldilocks. Give us the move. We're going to try and hold this. Goldie forming an inverse head and shoulders. Yep, could be. Could be. Which is why that move to the upside looks good, no? Okay, so we're currently testing out the EMA, and let's see if we want to close above the EMA. Okay, 3.5 minutes to go on this candle. Nasty? Okay, attempt. This could very well be a fake out as well. Please be careful, JJ. Sorry, guys, I'm just watching gold really closely right now. Look at that. Come on, gold. I'm looking to break those wicks. Okay, I'm looking to break those wicks. Okay, doesn't look like they want to do it right away. We have room to come down on the DXY. Okay, so maybe if we get that, we can get a little bit of a pop and try and catch that move as well. Okay, but we just need a breakdown over here on the dollar. Yep, let's see if market open wants to do something in the next 13 minutes. Okay, guys. Hmm. That he's trying to break the trend. Okay, good, good. Let's fix up some safer entries for dirty because we've been faked out so many times already. Okay, so let's catch that. Okay, your stop loss can be somewhere in this region. Here. All right, so that's about a 15 pip stop loss. Nasdaq giving us that push. Okay, there you go. Come on, my nasty traders, you guys. Impulse, wait for the next minute and a half. Okay, I hope this works out for you guys. Let's do it. Okay, a minute and 20 is a long time. All right, in the last 30 seconds, the way these candles move, they could nullify a move. I'm not even kidding. Okay, so that's usually what's most important. The last 30 seconds. It's almost like when you're in on a trade, time feels like how it feels when you're doing a plank. You know what I mean? It slows down. Sorry about that. But yeah. Good lord, look at what gold did, guys. Look at what gold did. We didn't break those highs and nothing. Um yeah, we're just it looks like we're chilling today, guys. Seriously, it just looks like we're sitting and watching and yeah, we're gonna continue to sit and watch. Oof, look at that drop. Okay, guys, I am officially not going to be looking for any trades for the next 11 minutes. If for market open, in the next 11 minutes the move kicks in, it kicks in. If it doesn't kick in, I don't care. Seriously, I'm good. Okay, US Nasdaq giving us a little bit of a retest. Okay, give me a quick second, guys. Nice. Okay, good structure over here, good break over here, beautiful break up there. That's what I'm looking to break. Okay. Good little feeler entry down here. If you guys are not liking the retest today, y'all don't need to be getting in on those retests. Ugh, fuck gold. Good morning, Kevin. What do you guys want to look at? Do y'all want to look at Nasdaq or do y'all want to look at gold? I, to be honest, I'm confused at this point. Um, I want those buys to kick in, but they're just not. And Nasdaq seems like it's a frozen chart. Okay, it's not really moving at all. Um, Yes, that's correct, DeepMind. Got 9 minutes to go. Okay, look at that. Gold is just extreme chop right now, guys. Stay away from it. I think we should look at the indices. Okay, let's look at the indices for market open. Okay, I'm gonna switch out of gold. I'm gonna delete my order from gold, and let's wait for market open potentially to catch any of these potential moves. Okay, Nasdaq fully getting rejected right now, testing the 9 EMA. Okay, and testing our zone of demand. Dirty guys, dirty markets. Don't fall into this trap, guys. Okay, it's best to stay away at a time like this. Okay, I'm being extra cautious just because I'm already down for the day. And think of it this way, I'm not even getting that small little 1 minute move in order to catch my 5 pips. And you guys have seen me how I trade the 1 minutes and how I can be aggressive when I need to, but I'm not seeing that in these markets today. Okay, so I'm going to be cautious. I'm not going to force anything. And if it comes, it comes. If it doesn't come, it is what it is. Look at Nasdaq, guys. They are dropping hard. Dropping freaking hard, guys. Look at that. Okay, but one thing that I am noticing though, holding on to a nice little uptrend over here. Okay, so listen, for market open, if those cells want to kick back in and we close down here, it could still work. Okay, you have nice little room up until this region to potentially short the market. Um, but again, if you're not comfortable doing it, don't. Oof, look at that dirt on gold. Hmm. Okay, and again on Nasdaq, no confirmation. We closed, didn't exactly get that retest, and we never broke the structure. Okay, so no confirmation on Nasdaq. Dirty day full of fake breakouts. Absolutely, it is. Okay, I thought I wasn't gonna stay for market open, but I'm here for you guys. All right. I think that should call for a success story. Just saying. Doesn't matter if you made some money. What matters is you picked up something from today's session, and you get some value from it. Okay. If that's the case, go ahead and post up on success stories for us. The moves will come. Don't worry about that. The moves will happen. Already posted. Cheers, my man. Take a sip of coffee, Cram. You've been talking a lot today. Yeah, thank you, deep man. I'm used to it by now. Okay, let's see. Let's see. What do y'all think? Do y'all think we're gonna get that zone fill, or do you think we're gonna start to pick back up? That's funny. Um, yeah, I miss it too, bro. Yeah, they'll come though. They'll come. They'll come. We have the next couple of months are going to be good, guys. Don't worry about it. Up until November. How many of you guys from Zoom right now? How many of y'all were trading with us last December? I want to know how many of our OG traders are on this call today. Let us know because you guys know what December is like. Okay, quite a few people. Yes, 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 yeah. There you go. Right, so y'all know what December is going to be like. How is December? December is going to be extremely choppy. Like, literally. Even for news in December, I'm not going to be live for news. I'm literally only and only going to come for market open because nothing's going to move. As the financial year ends, as we move into the holidays, there are fewer traders that are trading these markets. There are fewer lots that are rolling in these markets. Of the liquidity just really dies out. Okay. But up until the end of November, that's the best time to be trading. Okay. We're getting there. We're going to be there in the next couple of days, and you guys are going to see the volume really start to complement. Does Feb count? Well, yeah, no, Feb's fine. The first 3 months are usually decent. Um, but yeah, I don't like this. Okay, stay away from all of these charts today. I think I'm just gonna sit and watch. September, October volume was pretty great. We're getting into that, bro. We literally, those were the times where we were having our 1,000 pip days. If you remember, Tusu, you were there back then. Um, and we were having literally, guys, we were making 1,000 pips on the live streams. It was intense. And it excites me that we're going to have those moves again and we're going to have them soon. Couple of weeks, couple of days, we're going to be there. I was the first to clear Thunder, called it beginner's luck, and then blew it in the yeah, I remember. Holy shit, that was almost a year back, bro. How crazy is that, man? Almost a year? It's unreal to think about it. Crazy, crazy. It feels like yesterday that we started this. Feels like yesterday that like that my nephew put me in touch with Millzone. It's it's crazy. But yeah, time flies. Time flies. Especially when you're building something big, time absolutely flies. And the rest is history. In the making, my man. We're gonna take each and every one of you guys with us. I promise y'all that. We grow, y'all grow. Finally caught you live. What's up, buddy? Okay, so we've got 30 seconds to market open, guys. I wasn't gonna stay for market open, but because of how choppy these markets are for y'all, I'm here. I'm not gonna stay for too much longer. I do have a session after. Um, so yeah, let's see how the next 5 7 minutes go, and I'm gonna call it. You guys have my levels anyway. Okay, this is market open in the next 10 seconds. Where would you want to get in on the sells? On that break. Where would you want to get in on the buys? On that break. This is market open. Okay, Nasdaq is dropping. It's looking to fill that. Oh my god. Did anyone just see what happened with the US 30? I was waiting for this and I lost 650 goddamn dollars on this, but I still have my $1 a pip running and that's giving me 25 bucks now. I should have put in an order, but it's all good. Okay. We were waiting for this move, guys. People on YouTube, if y'all weren't here, we were legit waiting for these buys to kick in. I hope one of you guys got that, man. My feeler is running 40 bucks now. I'm up by 40 bucks. Um, fucking hell. You see how mistakes happen with everyone? I'm also only just human. I lost money on this trade, and I'm pretty sure y'all figured how confident I was with this particular trade. You guys remember that? But because of there was a lack of liquidity and a lack of volume, which made me lose money, and I couldn't hop in again. But these things happen. These things happen. It's part of trading. It's part of what we do. And sometimes you just have to put your hand on your heart and keep walking forward because there's always going to be another opportunity. There's always going to be another trade. Okay? But crazy. Okay. Gold still trying. Nasdaq really dumped. Really freaking dumped, okay? And still dumping. Wait for this candle to close. Wait for this candle to close, okay? Ugh, why didn't I have a goddamn order? It's bothering me, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Um, it's okay. We can still catch it. We can still catch it. Okay. Now, if Nasty wants to close, we could have a retest to here. We could have a retest to. Let's catch that. Okay. So these would be our retest entry points in case the Nasdaq wants to um, push down further. And if the US 30 closes in our box, we then, which it's not doing right now, but we then basically look for a retest potentially here or at this trend line, and maybe we get a wick fill. Okay. Nasdaq is just free falling, man. Like there's no tomorrow. Literally, we're just free falling on Nasdaq. Risky to enter now. I'll wait. Yes, wait for the candle to close. 100%. Don't enter on this now. Wait for the candle to close. Oh, look at Nasdaq. Daddy's coming back to Earth. Yes, it is. Sexy move on Nasdaq, guys. Lovely. Is anyone in on any trades, by the way? Anyone catch that or this? Anything at all? You guys? Feelers? Any small positions? I caught nothing. Okay. We're on the same boat today. We're on the same boat. Okay, last 30 seconds. Let's see what these candles want to do in the last 30 seconds. Already took my position on Nasdaq out. Lovely, brother. £2, 2K on Nasty. Awesome, man. Good for you. If that's on that 300K account, congratulations to you, brother. Nope, that was too quick. Okay. All right, so I'm now starting to like this region for maybe a potential retest. They're really free falling. If you guys are going to get in and be trigger finger on this, that's up to y'all. I am going to see if it looks good. Okay. Okay, expect a little bit of a retest. Okay. Come on. There you go. Give us a retest. Give us a retest. Okay. That's some good rejection. Look at that. Nice little entry. Is anyone catching the US 30 again? That's your retest rejection and your continuation for that potential wick fill. Okay. Liquidate your positions, guys. Take what you're getting in these markets. Okay. I entered in on NASDAQ in this region. All right. I'm in on NASDAQ. Okay. Come on. Come on. Also, I've made my money back. I'm running about 10 pips on my position right now. I'm going to quickly change this to break even, you guys, because I don't have it in me to lose any more today. Okay. There you go. I just caught my 10 freaking pips on NASDAQ. Finally. Finally. I am liquidating this. Okay. And as YouTube can see, there's my position. There's my position. Happy, good to go, 10 pips. Well, 14, 15 pips and still counting on NASDAQ US 30. I want to see how many of you guys are trading this. Come on. Everything's starting to play out. I just pulled out 10 pips, 300 bucks a pip from NASDAQ. Boom! Who caught that with me? I want to see W's in the goddamn chat. I walked you guys through this. It was a choppy day, but like I said, 10 pips is all it takes for you guys to feed your families. I'm not even kidding. With the right risk management, 10 pips does it. Guys, no one does this to y'all for free. These sort of setups, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click like. Share this as much as you can because I promise you guys, in the next couple of weeks, you guys are going to be hearing Forex trading every fucking where. Okay? Intense. I'm so glad, guys. I want y'all to think about this. I lost 600 bucks today. The markets 650 bucks today. The markets were extremely choppy, but I had my risk management in place. And then when the move happened, I made more than 3 grand. Okay? Just saying, with patience, everything is possible. The ones that want to come don't have the patience or the time to be trading these markets, and I don't blame you guys for it. Everyone's got a different story, but the ones that are not going to be able to dedicate their time, their effort, their blood, their sweat to these markets, you're not going to be able to make money, because if it was this easy, everyone would be a millionaire. Okay, think about that and put in the time. Invest on your education rather than investing on these funded accounts, guys. I'm not even kidding. I've said this multiple times, because you're going to end up losing that funded account, and the money is a variable. The money is there today, it's not there tomorrow, it'll be day after, so on and so forth. The money is a variable, and look at these goddamn markets as we speak. Okay? But the psychological effect that losing an account that it has on a trader is, it could be devastating. It could be almost career ending for a trader. Okay? Please, if you're a new trader, it's my humble request to you, do not invest in an account right away. Jump onto a demo, invest in your learning, invest on a TradingView subscription just so you could use the replay feature to backtest, and backtesting is key. Invest on yourself. Don't give your money to the prop firms, okay? 10 pips a day. It's usually more than 10 pips, buddy, but today the markets were extremely choppy. So yes, we closed it at 10 pips, but yeah, we're scalpers, man. We look for quick ins and outs in these markets, and we're happy. Look at that. Everything is playing out. I want to see goddamn W's in the chat, you guys. Come on. I think today, with the patience that I portrayed in front of y'all, and with the way I walked you all through today's session, I think I deserve some W's and some success stories, okay? Let's not forget, this is an absolutely free service for y'all. Okay? Look at that. We filled that zone, and now they're looking like they want to push back up. Beautiful, guys. Everything finally played out. I didn't even leave a position on gold, by the way. Right? If I left my position, I could have easily caught, again, even if I left the partial, we're talking about a 42 pip move, but I didn't want to be greedy. I was like, screw it. I'm going to take what I get, and I'm going to walk away from these markets, because I have no reason to be trading them longer, especially after the way these markets have treated me today. Just watch today. Nice moves. Congrats, everyone. How do you know when the market opens and closes? There are fixed timings for the market open and close. All right. Google's your best friend, buddy. All right, guys. I'm going to call it a session. Again, boring to begin with. Ended as a banger as always. And listen, with practice, with determination, and with patience, these markets can change your lives just the way they changed us. I'm not just saying this. All right. And for the ones out there on Instagram, for the ones out there on YouTube that think we're scammers, call us scammers. That's fine. But come and join a live stream first. See the kind of value that we give y'all, and then make your judgment. Because we're not asking you guys for no money. We do this, and we've been doing this for the past 1 year. London and New York market open. If we were scammers, we wouldn't make ourselves vulnerable to y'all. If we were scammers, we'd be asking for your money. This is free. Hop on, and I promise, if you're a skeptic, I'll make you a believer. That being said, that was a freaking awesome monologue. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Today was an awesome session. Please go ahead and post up on success stories. And for the one-on-ones, if anyone's interested, let me know. And as always, I'm Mark, aka CramFX, and my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, you guys. Cheers. Take it easy. Peace. I'll see you all next week. Bye.